Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can redeem your GameStop gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.gamestop.com. Once you type this in, you will end up in the official homepage of GameStop. First of all, make sure that you are logged in into your account, and once you are logged in, you can simply scroll through the product you want to purchase and press on the add to cart button. Once you press on add to cart, all you need to do is simply press on the view cart and checkout option, and after doing so, you need to simply scroll down below, and at the end of the page you can find the promo code option. Now simply press on the enter promo code option, enter your gift card number, and this way you can redeem your GameStop gift card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.